In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to qualify for a free airdrop of grass tokens. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you how to get a 1.25x multiplier on your points so you can be earning even more passive income. So jumping right into it, if you check the description down below and use my referral link, you'll get a bonus when you sign up and it'll take you directly to grass.io. From there, you're going to sign up and download the extension, which they'll prompt you to do. Once you have this extension, you'll be connected and you'll be earning rewards. From there, you want to click on the rewards tab, and then you'll see on Twitter, they just announced yesterday, welcome to Grass Summer. Please head over to the rewards tab and connect your Solana wallet. So you need to connect your Solana wallet if you want to get the token airdrop directly into your wallet. So make sure you do that, verify your email address, verify your wallet address, and then confirm the wallet in your email. So you can see here that I'm earning about anywhere from 1 to 3,000 points a day. You can easily earn 2,000 points a day. I haven't really been farming this and I have 0 referrals currently. So even without having any referrals and not really keeping a lot of uptime, you can earn about 2,000 points. So 2,000 points is going to be worth on the over-the-counter market right now on Whales Market. We can see here that people are exchanging it anywhere for 0.0007 to 0.001 per point, which means 2,000 would be $2. So you're basically going to be earning a couple dollars per day just for having this on in the background. So what exactly is this? Grass is a network of over 2 million people who are rewarded for helping AI developers access the internet. So what it does is it's a network for exchanging bandwidth and bandwidth only. There's no possible way for buyers to see your data and view your activity. Security and privacy is 100% guaranteed. So its training an AI model takes a huge amount of web data, which can be obtained from public websites. Grass nodes view these websites and compile structured data assets from their contents, which are then sold to AI labs for use in the training process. When you install a Grass node, the network will occasionally route web requests using your internet connection. Think of it as your computer checking a random website every once in a while. None of this will be visible to you and it will not affect your internet experience at all. It does not access or utilize your personal data in any way, so you know you're going to be 100% safe. So why exactly, besides this airdrop, why exactly is this so important? Well, it's really playing on the big data and AI narrative this cycle in crypto, and obviously there's no guarantee on how much it's going to be worth on launch, but we do have them saying on Twitter that there is going to be an airdrop, and you do not have to spend any money to qualify for this airdrop, which is awesome. So why it's so important is it's a network that'll be owned and operated by its users. So when AI grows, you're going to benefit instead of just Bill Gates and Elon Musk, and that correlates to big data and AI companies like Google and Microsoft. We don't want them to gatekeep the public web as the only entities who have indexed the whole thing. They can use this power to assert a monopoly on the development of AI. And Grass is also a single easiest way, like I just explained, to get exposure to the rise of AI. You don't need to invest anything at all, and you can get a free airdrop and participate. So how you're going to earn that 1.25x multiplier is you're going to go over to the store here, download the community node, click on download, click on how to install, download it, and then from there you're going to have the community node set up here. And you're going to be earning 1.25x multiplier on your points daily. So definitely don't skip out on that step at all. If you guys gained any value out of this, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with friends or family. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.